A language sets the way people perceive the world, and it also helps to define culture of any society.
You must welcome me. Global Spoken English.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Mohammad Shahbaz. I am from Gosip. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today my topic is importance of English language. English language is vital tool for communication. It is not only means of communicating thoughts and ideas, but it builds friendship, economic, relationship and cultural ties. We can communicate only with signs without language. Moreover, our language distinguishes the differences and also celebrates the uniqueness of cultures in a country or in a region or in a community. A language sets the way people perceive the world, and it also helps to define culture of any society. Any language is gift of knowledge. More than one language makes a man more efficient and skillful of many ways. It opens our minds and guides us into a magical world of fancies and dreams. To certain the proper learning of language helps us to develop ourselves, our mind and also our personality. Human language is unique because it is simply communication of system that is learned instead of biologically inherited for some people. There are many reasons that makes English the most important language in the world. English is very important in today's life. It is very important subject taught in school. Now the language communicate is English. If we go in any abroad country, the language raw which we communicate is English. I think the language which we all should learn to speak is English. It is prevalent of many countries, including America, China, Russia, Indonesia, and many others. The scope of English is very much that even in India, are most subjects taught in English language. So it means government also wants and think that English is a language, so which everybody should know. Nowadays, students tend to concentrate on the subject English. Teachers also want and think English is that students should pay as much heed to English as possible. Now I would like to finish my topic. Thanks for listening my speech.